So this is the Samsung Galaxy S20 and I've been using this phone for 5 years and the battery is nothing to write home about. Like if you can zoom in, you could see that connect charger. The battery is actually low right now and the battery dies like almost every 2 to 3 hours. But when you're at home, you actually don't feel it. But when you step out where you have to use Google Maps, play music and stuff, you actually feel it. I plan to change the phone soon. That's why I've actually not gone to the store to change out the batteries. So I decided to go the route of trying to get a power bank. I needed something light because the use case for it is that I'm going to be using it only when I'm outdoors, and I need it to be pretty much like very handy, not as big as my phone. And I found one particular power bank that fits everything I was looking for. I didn't go Oraimo this time because the last Oraimo power bank that I had to throw it out because it started growing really big and that is a danger. So I decided to do some research and to my surprise I found a Duracell power bank. Did you know Duracell makes power bank? I didn't know until I started this research, and the power bank fits exactly everything that I needed. So before we go further in this video and before I drop my final reviews, let's take a look at the unboxing.
Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful, where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say it louder, say it louder. Feel the moment, feel the power. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Bring the energy one more time. Say it louder, say it louder. You're the question, you're the answer. Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go.
So my final thoughts on this power bank, I think the power bank is really good. It feels really premium. And like I said, I needed something that I could easily pair up with my phone. So carrying this is very comfortable in the hand, like see, and it doesn't feel so heavy. So I could use this. This is the cable it came with. Yeah, so I just connect it here, connect my phone, and yeah, it's charging. Yeah, so and this is very seamless. Like I'm holding this, so when I'm going out, like I don't need to worry about my phone dying on me because this is light and it actually does fast charging, which is also quite interesting. I do have one should I say con or one quirk that I'm not so happy about. So the Type-C charger, it didn't work as expected. So I tried to use my MacBook cord. I don't know if the cord is too advanced or too thick or I don't even know, too long, and it's not able to transfer the energy across that length, or I don't even know. But when I try to use the Type-C for that cord to my phone, it doesn't work, or sometimes it shakes and all of that. So I don't know if it's a thing of the cord. I haven't tried with a shorter length cord or something else. I don't know if it's the cord or it's the power bank's Type-C port, but I do know it does work really well with the cord it came with. But yeah, so that's like the only con I have. But okay, there's actually one more con. I didn't know how should I say how I will miss the feature of the power bank actually having a touch light. Yeah, this power bank doesn't have a touch light, but sometimes when you need like a light and you're not with your phone or your phone is dead, yeah, it makes sense to actually just take your power bank and put on the touch light. So It's actually a needed feature. So if you have a power bank with a touchlight, don't take it for granted. Yeah, you will miss it when it is not there. Yeah, so I think that's my only quirk. But the pros outweigh all the cons for sure. It's very lightweight, which is exactly what I was looking for. It's 10,000 mAh. I have used it to charge my phone several times without any issues. I've actually not, run the battery down like totally before my next charge for it. So I think it's really good, and I highly do recommend. The link to get it is in the description. I'm not certain about the price anymore, but I will try to drop it in the screen. But the price may change because of how prices or how often price changes. So the link to get this is down in the description. And yeah, so if you made it this far, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please like this video and share with someone who you feel might be in the market for a new power bank. I highly recommend this particular one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.